Well, here it is. This is fun. It's like Christmas, but better than Christmas because you get food. And these are the fingerling potatoes. They're called pinto potatoes because they're speckled. And these are the best fingerling. You just boil them up and mash them, and there's hardly a skin to them, so they're so bitter, buttery, and sweet. This is just off of one plant. It looks like I got to go through this row too. Okay, I'll show you what I get. I got quite a few of these purple potatoes. They're so good for you. Okay, I'm ready. Let's see, I got 25 pounds of that from that row. Pretty good. That's 25 pounds, isn't it?
Okay. You say so.
Do we break for lunch? We're gonna do one more row and then break for lunch. Lacey's in the shade, chilling. So far, about 50 pounds. Okay, back at it. Got half of it done. I better get busy. I'm getting hungry. Does it?
Now you got 25 pounds.
Oh, there's more than that there.
What, 30?
Oh no.
Not 30?
This is 25. That's 50 right there. So that's 25, 50. That's 100 pounds, I think. That's what I think. John doesn't think so. All right, I'm gonna go have some lunch. Start the grill with this beautiful echinacea plant. I'm quite happy there. Planted her 3 years ago. I'm going to grill that for 4 minutes and then flip it and grill it for another 4 minutes and then it's done. So that's sockeye salmon, wild caught sockeye salmon. So I think I bought 4 pounds of it, a bunch of long fillets, and then I love cold salmon the next day on salads. So I don't eat farmed fish. Fish farming and shrimp farming is very polluting to the waters. Tasty. Well, got all the potatoes harvested. So let me go show you the haul, and I can kind of guesstimate how much we got. Well, here it is. Here's the haul for the summer. Russets, and reds and purples and pinto fingerlings and some purples and some more reds. So this is 65 pounds of seed potato, and I don't know what it would be. I'm gonna guess that it's 100, maybe 250 pounds. That's gonna be my guess. So that's pretty good. Less than what I anticipated. You know, it's 10 pounds of seed potatoes produce 1 pound of potatoes. So thank God I didn't get 650 pounds of potatoes. But this will be good. This will keep us through the next season. And then I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 cabbages, and then I got a nice haul of cauliflower. I got 2 cauliflowers this size, so I got to put those up tonight. And then my onions, I got about another 2 times that amount there, and on average they were about this size, so about half the size as what they can be. And I think that's because of all the moisture we have this summer. So cucumbers are like growing like crazy because I planted them in amongst that buckwheat, and every single cucumber flower got pollinated. So that's cool. And then I got quite a few heads of broccoli coming. So we'll have broccoli and roasted chicken for supper. And then you see over here I got the Georgia sweet pumpkin. That's a pretty good one. And is the best winter squash. It stores really well. This is heavy. I bet you this is 15 pounds. So those store really well. So yeah, I'll take you down to my root cellar and show you how I'm gonna hang my cabbages. These cabbages, you know, technically the books say that they store well in a root cellar and, you know, over the winter. I think 3 months. But these guys, they won't last, I don't know, maybe another 2 months. And the leaves, of course, start dying. And then as soon as these leaves start dying down to the cabbage itself, then I'm gonna just make sauerkraut. By that time the garden will be harvested and I'll be caught up. So I've learned that they don't store that good. They start getting soft. I don't know if it's just our wet environment or this root cellar, because it's quite damp in this root cellar. But it's fine. It works good until I'm ready to deal with them. So, and then he did build these for the winter squash, which is perfect. But the mice get at the winter squash. So I store the winter squash in steel trash cans just down here on the floor. And then these are the bins for the potatoes. So what's going to happen is these bins will fill up, and then these shelves will fill up. So he did have some issues with some frost coming in. We monitored this cellar, the temperature of the cellar last winter, and the coldest it got was, but yeah, this cellar he built out of the poplar from our property. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's pretty cool. Had a good weekend. We got a lot done. Got a lot harvested. John got a tree cut to make more lumber for the sugar shack. And Lacey met a kiddo. Did you meet Daniel? Yeah. And she got lots of loving. Yeah. So thanks for joining me this weekend. And I hope you guys had a good weekend, and take good care. I'll see you next time.